Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn vegetable farm, addition and subtraction up to 20, together step by step. On the vegetable farm, we count and share veggies, adding and subtracting numbers up to 20. To add bigger numbers, count on and make a 10 when you can. 8 plus 5. First make 10 with 2, then 3 more, 13. To subtract, count back or take away in steps. 15 minus 6 is 9. 12 tomatoes and 5 more picked is 12 plus 5, 17 tomatoes. To recap, add by counting on or making a 10, subtract by counting back, working with numbers up to 20. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.